I hope you're fine wherever you are watching this video from. Welcome back to another video. My name is Lucia. Karibu sana. Welcome. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment. Okay, do as usual, subscribe, like and comment below after you have watched this video, because I'm very sure you are going to love it. I have some few improvements in my house, 2 of them, not much, but I do appreciate a lot. So today I wanted to show you an update of my bedroom. Today's on Monday, so on Saturday I went to town to do some to buy something else, and I got a very beautiful cover duvet for my bedroom, and it really looks beautiful. It looks amazing. And also I got a carpet. I'll show you where I'm going to put it, because the other one, it's worn out. So today I wanted to fix all those 2. I've already fixed the bedroom and it's looking wonderful. It's looking marvelous. You are going to love it. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to put the carpet, and you'll see how it will look after I have installed it. So without wasting any time, let me show you how the bedroom now looks, and you'll love it. So guys, without wasting any time, look at my bedroom now. Look at how gorgeous it is. My Mabati, my aluminium bedroom. Yeah, this duvet, I got it at Kamkunji. I was passing by there and I didn't have plans to buy it, but I thought it will match with my bedroom. Can you see the green part there? It matches everything here. It's white and green. Can you see even the curtains and even this wardrobe right there? Yes, that's right there. So this duvet, I got it there at Kamukunji. I don't know the building, but they have a lot of them. They have a lot of them. You need to choose the color which you want, and you are going to get it. I was planning to buy this for a while, and at long last I bought it. So this is how it looks. It's a velvet. It's a velvet duvet, a very nice one. It's warm. It has a gray, this gray thing, even the nini. And also I purchased the white one, this one. You see this one? Yes, I got the white one, but it comes with a gray bed sheet. All right, so that's how it looks, and I think it looks nice. How do you think, guys? What else can I add from this bedroom, Mabati bedroom of ours? I think now I'm done. I was planning to purchase and whether that will match with the room, and now I'm okay with that. Anything else? I don't see anything else. The carpet, it's still nice. Oh, this is the carpet I bought. It's just normal carpets, that the one that I have put in my house. So where I'm going to replace it is down the corridor, and also this front part here of entering the bathroom. So I'm going to replace it with this. This one is 5 meter carpet, and it has a bigger boxes like the other one on our bedroom. So I didn't find the one that it's there. 1 meter, I bought it at 200 bob, 200 Kenyan shillings, and I bought 5 meter, that is 1,000 Kenyan bob. And this duvet, I got it at around 3,500 for the duvet. It's a 6x6 duvet. So I bought that white one, and also I bought another velvet bed sheet for the bed. This one, I got this one. This comes with this duvet, but as for me, I decided to start with the white one first. Can you see how smooth it is when you're sleeping like this? When you're sleeping like this, oh, you are so comfortable and very, very warm. So it comes with this gray one. It looks like the pillowcases. What do you say? It looks like the pillowcases. So these ones comes with this, and if you can, you buy another extra color that you want. So I bought white one, and it looks amazing here. This one, can you see? It looks amazing. So my bed now, it's so warm. Whew! Super nice, super nice. Very nice. So let's go and put a carpet, and then you are going to see how I'm going to transform the corridor part of it. It looks bad right now, even when I'm sweeping. It has a lot of stress mingi ya kufagia. A lot of stress while you are sweeping. So let me do that, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. You know how I do put a carpet. Let me show you the front part. It's very bad. So this is what I'm talking about. When you see this carpet, it's worn out. Kabisa kabisa. It's worn out kabisa kabisa. So I'm going to start from here. I won't remove it, I think so. I will start from here, and then I'm going to cover this area. Can you see? It's worn out kabisa kabisa. It's worn out. I haven't swept the house. I'm going to sweep it and then put the carpet back. So watch me as I do that. So guys, I am done fixing my carpet now. It has fitted so well, 5 meters, all through this corridor right there. Can you see how smart it is? Yeah. And also I've covered this area too. The whole of this place is so smart, shining. It matches with my bedroom carpet. So I think now I'm done. It has taken me like 2 hours to finish this. It's not an easy job while you are alone. And also I have put a few here at Olivia's and Talvin's bedroom, and that's how it looks. Yeah, it hasn't fitted paka huko chini, but I think now it makes a little bit change. It has a change because it was worn out. Even in that place there, it was worn out, and it looks amazing right now. So nice, so beautiful. So now I need to clean the kitchen. You can see the kitchen, it's in a mess. I haven't done anything for morning, so let me start. So guys, my kitchen is super clean, very very clean now, and my babies are here. Hello, how are you? You are fine. You have come from school. Olivia, hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Avi, you're fine. Okay, so now they are here. I need to prepare something for them to have. And you see how clean my kitchen is. It's very clean now. The pots, everything. I have wiped everything. Even this cooker of mine here. And the dishes too. So now I'm boiling water here to prepare small bandazes for them. Okay? So let's do that. Tunataka kachai na kachapo. Kachapo. Okay. This is my duff. This one, a very small one, and my oil. It's almost hot. I think it's hot now. Super hot. Very very hot. So let me cut them into small pieces and then prepare. ngoja iive, ngoja iive.